of us itching to get out in the yard this weekend, get some flowers, do some cleanup.
I have a feeling the greenhouses are going to be very busy this weekend because it just seems like a good weekend for that, George.
I know we're planning to go.
We did have some warm weather this week, and despite the clouds and rain this morning, guys, it has turned out to be beautiful.
Beautiful.
And I think the weekend is going to be nice as well. Although we do have one chance of some storms. We'll talk about that. 13 weather ball tonight is red, and that means warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And around the area, the sun has come out this afternoon after a cloudy, rainy, kind of drizzly start to our day, and temperatures are responding nicely. We had about 3/4 of an inch of rain here in the greater Grand Rapids area and down toward Battle Creek, a little bit less to the north, but about the same over there in Muskegon. And again, no rain here this evening. Temperatures are recovering nicely. We're back up into the upper 60s and even low 70s to the north as the skies have cleared across the region. All of these showers from this morning have now moved on over toward the Flint area, and we've got clear skies tonight thanks to high pressure building overhead. But as that high moves to the east later on tomorrow, we got another approaching cold front that may trigger a late afternoon, more likely an early evening thunderstorm in the region. But look at the clear skies here tonight. Beautiful sunshine throughout the afternoon. And then here comes that late day shower. You can see in the inland areas there are a couple of pop-up, and there could be a few during the evening tomorrow, but it's going to be few and far between. We just have a small chance in the forecast. Then back to some sunshine here during the day on Sundays. All the way around, not a bad weekend. Yes, there could be some lightning and thunder with that, especially in the afternoon and evening off to the east of Grand Rapids. Again, that will be while you are sleeping or going to bed here on Saturday night and on Sunday. Rainfall, we're not expecting much with that line of showers coming on through. And that will be late in the afternoon, early evening. Most of it will be over toward the Ionia and Lansing areas. We'll see our chances for rain increase later on next week. Long range outlook is going to change with the weather pattern. At the end of our 10-day forecast, you'll see that. Temperatures getting closer to our average highs, 67 to 69, with high chances for cooler weather right here in the middle part of the country. And we are trending with a little bit drier weather during that same 5-day period from the 9th through the 13th. Forecast then for tonight, look for skies to be clear this evening. Some increase to the cloud cover late tonight. Mid-40s northern part of the lakeshore zone, around 48 in South Haven, 50 in Muskegon, and also in Holland. Northern zones, you'll drop into the mid-40s along US 10, around 47 Fremont, 49 in Greenville, same. Increasing clouds late tonight, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll drop down to around 50, maybe as warm as the low and mid-50s along I-94. 13 on your side forecast. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies tomorrow with some haze late in the day, especially away from the lakeshore. There is a chance of some thunderstorms. That would be late afternoon into the early evening before skies do clear. Then will become sunny on Sunday with a high of 72. Sunny with some haze in the air on Monday. Next week, it'll be dry Tuesday morning, but some afternoon showers and storms come back in. And then another dry day on Wednesday before showers Wednesday night. Maybe a couple of showers on Thursday, but no all-day rains. And then starting next weekend, we'll be back down into the 60s, closer to our average highs, with perhaps a shower on Friday and again Saturday. Oh, what rain, what clouds. Things have cleared out very nicely. It's a beautiful end to our day as we're going into the weekend. What's ahead for your Saturday? Well, the 13 weather ball is red. We have a warmer weekend ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
So for walking the dog this evening, it should be great. And if you want to get any kind of inside weather information, text the word weather to 616-559-1310 or scan that QR code. You'll not only get perhaps an update on walking the dog. This is Ronnie James and Ruthie Lynn. So either one of you, Julie, Lauren, or Elena, get out there with a green paw and enjoy the evening walk. We'll drop out of the 70s into the 60s and eventually falling into the 50s for your morning walk here tomorrow. More sunshine tomorrow than we saw today. We'll see a few clouds in the morning, but more sunshine as the day goes on. Winds will be very favorable. Just enough to create enough green energy here in the state of Michigan. Temperatures right now are back into the upper 60s. These are the highs for the day as skies have cleared on out. The rain is exiting the state as we speak. We saw some showers this morning, rumbles of thunder last night. It was the Nice rumbles of thunder. No severe weather reported across the region, but skies have cleared now and high pressure is building on in. So we've got a nice evening before some high clouds come in from the west. And we have another cold front that will go through Saturday evening that may bring us a shower. But look at the clear skies tonight, maybe some low clouds early on in the day. And this is overnight. These showers and storms are going to fall apart. We will see maybe a pop-up shower late in the day. You can see this is well inland away from the lakeshore, so you're heading over to tulip time should be just fine. And then these showers on Saturday night are going to fall apart and we'll be back into some sunshine on Sunday, and it looks pretty nice. In terms of rainfall, anything that does fall will be in the late afternoon. Notice it's in the inland areas into the evening hours and maybe a brief shower to the north overnight. For the most part, most areas will stay dry in most of West Michigan. Temperature-wise, we're going to be back up into the upper 70s here on Saturday, and with the winds turning around to the north behind that cold front, we'll be in the low 70s, not only Sunday, but Monday as well. We're still well above our average highs, but the pattern is changing. May 11th through the 17th, middle of the month, we're going to have higher chances for cooler temperatures, but a higher chance of seeing less precipitation as well as the jet stream moves a little bit further south. So tonight, clear skies early, but then becoming mostly cloudy. Mid-40s northern part of the lakeshore zone and down toward South Haven, but 50 in Muskegon and Holland. Northern zones, you'll be in the mid-40s, maybe upper 40s around Greenville. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll have evening sunshine, clear skies early on, then clouds late, overnight lows between about 50 and 54. 13 on your side forecast. Warm and humid afternoon and evening with that possible late day thunderstorm, generally away from the lakeshore inland, and then it ends Saturday evening. It's becoming sunny and 72, less humid Sunday. A little haze in the air on Monday and 72. A chance of an afternoon and evening shower and a thunderstorm next Tuesday. That becomes humid again. We'll be back into the upper 70s. Dry on Wednesday. With some rain Wednesday night. Maybe a couple of lingering showers Thursday. Friday and Saturday next week through Sunday, at least the first part of the weekend, will be cooler with a chance of a shower, including Saturday. But Mother's Day right now still looking seasonable and dry. So
That's
all the way around,
encouraging.
it's going to be a great day to maybe mow the lawn, plant some annuals.
Okay, we will. Thank you, George. After a dreary, rainy morning, the skies just cleared like that, and it's gorgeous outside right now.
It is beautiful, blue skies, light winds, nothing to complain about, right?
No, great way to start the weekend.
Yeah, warm, green things up very nicely, all the rain we had overnight last night with just some gentle thunderstorms, the way we kind of like it. 13 weather ball is red. It is going to be a warmer weekend ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures today climbed into the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, 69 so far here in Grand Rapids, also our current temperature. Now, I did have a discrepancy on my forecast yesterday. For all of my zone forecasts, I had a high of 72, but we count that 10-day forecast. So I even made a mistake between what I was showing you and our 10-day. So we'll take the 75 and we'll take the miss here on this Friday. A technicality, but we did see the sunshine come on out after the rain moved on off to the east. That's the cold front that brought that back to the west. High pressure building in. That's what gave us some clear skies this afternoon and tonight. Got another cold front that'll be approaching us over the weekend. That one will come through late in the day on Saturday. All the active weather tonight is down in western Kansas, where there was a severe thunderstorm watch. You can see the skies have cleared here in West Michigan, and the showers that came through this morning are now to the east of Flint. That lines up very well with our computer models. We're going to see some low clouds, I think, develop later on tonight, so we'll see an increase to our clouds. So clear this evening, cloudy to start, but the sun comes back out here tomorrow. Beautiful day. Late in the day, though, as that cold front approaches, there'll be some inland pop-up showers and storms. I think that will be generally east of 131, maybe even east of 127, and that will be toward evening. So we'll stay dry here in West Michigan, and then some dying showers with the cold front back to our west. So we could catch one during the evening hours. No severe weather expected, and most areas are going to stay dry. And then we'll be back into some sunshine as those skies clear later in the day on Sunday. There's the rain during the day tomorrow, generally from Grand Rapids to the east. So dry along the lakeshore. If you're planning on doing any kind of outdoor activity, you shouldn't have any worries. And then some of those dying morning showers coming in Saturday evening. May get the ground wet to the north and west, but virtually most areas will stay dry this weekend, as we've been forecasting all week long. Every Friday, the long range outlook comes out. This is for the second half of May, from the 18th through the 31st. We have a slightly higher chance that we will see cooler temperatures return, but cooler than 71 to 75. So we'll take upper 60s and low 70s. And for precipitation, we have a higher chance of seeing less during that 2-week period. It looks like the storm track will be in through here. That means cooler and drier in our neck of the woods. So tomorrow, we're looking at a little bit of haze in the air after a few clouds in the morning. Sun comes out in the afternoon. Mid and upper 70s, including Holland there. In the northern zone, you'll be in the mid 70s, upper 70s with a little bit of haze after some morning clouds. Lots of sunshine. And in the late afternoon, more like around 7, 8 o'clock, there could be some scattered storms developing east of Grand Rapids, but upper 70s to near 80 degrees. 13 on your side forecast. A little bit cooler, but still well above average. High of 65 both Sunday and Monday. A little haze in the air Monday and Tuesday. There'll be some afternoon showers and storms Tuesday into Tuesday evening before those end. Dry Wednesday. Any showers Wednesday will be overnight, and they may linger to a few next Thursday. As we showed you, the weather pattern changing to cooler Friday through the following weekend, with some showers on and off Friday and next Saturday. But right now, Mother's Day looking very comfortable and seasonable.